guys, we're here at the Niagara Falls in Montenegro, in Podgorica. Hi guys, it's our last day in Kotor and it's raining. But it's a good timing because our bus will be here in 2 hours. No, I mean we will be going to the bus station in 2 hours, so it's okay. Even though it's raining at the moment.
To eat our breakfast.
Yeah. Hopefully there's an open restaurant who caters breakfast. That's not too expensive. Okay, let's find one here at the old town of Kotor. So guys, we're eating breakfast here at Restaurant City Terrace. Guys, it's a rainy day and we're going home and we're going to the bus station. So we're looking for a taxi. Hopefully there's one here in the entrance of the old town. Yes, we got a taxi. And now we're here at the bus station. Hello. So we're already in our bus going to Podgorica. So it will be a 2-hour ride from Kotor to Podgorica. And it's a rainy day here in Montenegro. So we just arrived here in our hotel in Podgorica and we are thinking of going to that Niagara Falls like here in Podgorica, and we'll try to have lunch there if it's possible, but it's quite rainy, but let's see. So we need to prepare and fix ourselves and we're gonna go there and come and join us. So guys, we're going to Niagara Falls. So we took a taxi and it's around 10 to 15 minutes away from our hotel. Have you been to Niagara in Canada?
Last 2016 with Daddy, my daddy. It was amazing.
Ayun na eh, mayroon pa lang tayo. So guys, we're here in Niagara Falls in Podgorica, Montenegro. Niagara. So guys, we're actually here at Niagara restaurant here at Podgorica. So they really call this place Niagara, and the place that we're eating is called Niagara Restaurant. So we're gonna eat first and drink something and we're gonna go to the falls. So it is still raining at the moment. So guys, this is what we ordered here in Niagara Restaurant in Podgorica. We've got iced coffee, cordon bleu, lemonade, and my wife had this food, I forgot what is this. And we've got free bread. I think it's free. It's not included in our receipt. Cordon bleu. It's ano sa kanita drive eh. Yes, we just finished our, is it lunch or dinner? Lunch. So we just finished our lunch and we're not sure if we're allowed to go there on that falls right there. So as you can see, the water is right there. It's going downwards on that side, there. But the thing is, we're afraid to go there because it's quite slippery because it's rainy today and nobody else is here. And we're not sure if we could go there. And the people in the restaurant are also unsure. They just pointed that the waterfalls is over there. Can you say? You wanna go there? You wanna try?
More nice there.
Where? So guys, for the vlog, I'm gonna go there. Right there. And my wife is there. And she's afraid. Look. And now, come and join me as I go near the waterfalls. I'm gonna try. Oh, there's plenty of goose. Look, there's a goose. Goose or a duck. Beli na! Ito. So guys, we're here at the Niagara Falls in Montenegro, in Podgorica. Woo! What can you say? Is it good? It's really good. I mean, the view is really spectacular out here. But the weather is a bit rainy and my wife tried to come near me. Yeah. Dali. Ay, bridge, oh. Sorry. Nice. This is the Niagara Falls. Look. Guys, this is the closest that I can get here at Niagara Falls in Podgorica, Montenegro. Very deep. Look at the view, guys.